All right, Model Rocks 321 here, back with another video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the Instagram at Model Rockets 321. All kind of content. I drop over there more than I drop here, but I'm trying to get some more videos going on here as well. But definitely check the Instagram out. Put more pictures and stuff up, just what's going on at Model Rocks 321 and things that are going to be coming, and I show off some of the kits and stuff that I have in my collection. And I've been doing trivias in the story, which is a lot of fun. People really seem to be enjoying that. So definitely participate in that, test your knowledge, and also test my knowledge too, because I have to always reference and check, make sure I'm correct before I put something out there. But anyway, today I want to, I see comments. I post the Strike Fighter. I love the Strike Fighter. Great rocket, super stable, flies well. Excellent rocket, excellent design from 1989. I actually got the catalog when that one first was unveiled to us by Estes, or Estes. So today I want to see, I'm just looking at these rockets. To me, they're totally different rockets. There could be some inspiration there, but I don't think it's as heavy and deep as people think. Some people think that, oh, you can see they clearly copied the X-Wing-Fighter. I saw that comment on my Instagram somewhere, and I said, well, yeah, a little, somewhat. Yes, a little. But overall, I consider this almost an original design. Like, it has some similarities, don't get me wrong. This right here, yes. Different from this one still. Has a cannon, has a laser gun. This has the 4. To me, it's different enough to say this is an original, cool design. Canopy, you know, real nice rocket. Totally different, like, profile, too. I mean, yeah, I can see it. But the X-Wing Fighter is the X-Wing Fighter. Nothing's like an X-Wing Fighter. Somewhat, but then when I look again, a little. But overall, I say not so much. The nose, way different cone. Estes came with this cone for it. That's different, and it's a plastic cone. Canopy, totally clear, and you can see the X-Wing's canopy. You know, different. Has its differences. There's a rocket. I think it's called the something Speeder. That looks more like the X-Wing than this guy to me. Yeah, just two different birds. It's called the Strike Fighter, and then we got the, X-Wing Fighter. This is a fighter, like a futuristic fighter. So to me, it has its differences, different profile. Cool though, very, very cool. So you can they're like, I guess you could say distant cousins. The little touches of red there gives it that little, make you think that it's, Red Squadron or whatever, but still different enough where I can say this is an original bird. If somebody was sketching, I can see them coming up with this on their own. I mean, just different. There's no spreading of like this, somewhat, but different. Still different enough to say original design. No issue there as far as I'm concerned. I think they're different enough. So yeah, that's kind of the whole take on this. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Subscribe. This is the X-Wing Fighter, Estes. It flies, 18mm version, it flies. I have the bigger Maxi Brute one, flies on the bigger motors too, but just different. Drop a comment. What do you guys think? Let me know. So yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say. I just wanted to show these two up close and put them side by side and see what you guys thought. See what you think. To me, there's enough difference there. I mean, these are two different birds. Man. I mean, I can see, like I said, slight similarities. Yes, you got cannons there. This one got 4 cannons, 2 cannons. Slight little X shape, but not as much as this, not as much as that. Totally different birds. Good enough to be, it's an original. I'll call it an original. 1989 kit. Many years after the X-Wing Fighter was already out, but that's just my take on it. Like I said, you guys let me know what you think. Drop a comment. Hit that like button on the way out and subscribe if you have not yet. Bring you more Model Rockets stuff. This is Model Rockets 321. Be sure to visit the Model Rockets 321 Space Shop for logo tees, mugs, and other space-related merchandise.